Module positions in Joomla. In this lesson, we'll review how you can preview your module positions that you have already set on your template. We'll display the positions and look at different ways you can work with them. And then we'll talk about resequencing the modules in the positions that they currently have. Our first step in analyzing the module positions is we have to turn a parameter on in the template manager so we can preview what our positions are in the website. To do that, if you go to Extensions and Template Manager, once you're in the Template Manager, you need to click on Options. The option right here says Preview Module Positions. This must be set to Enabled. This is a new feature that came along in 1.7 release. Prior to that, you could always display your module positions in preview mode. Once I set this to Enabled, I can now click Save and Close. Now let's preview our module positions. First, you go to your website. After your URL, you're going to put in the following codes. $TP equals 1. Basically, you're saying you want to turn the template module positions to on. Again, this is only going to work if you enabled the parameter that we looked at before from the template options. And now you can hit Enter. As you can see now, in the red highlights, I can actually look at the different positions. I have a position up here, which is where you put the search. It's called position-0. My position on the left is position-7. I have position-12. Position 6 is on the right, also position 8 and position 3. If I scroll down, there's some more positions that I can work with, which is position 9, position 10, and position 11. What these positions mean are I can put modules or mini programs in these different pockets or areas on the website. What types of things would you put? Possibly a menu, as we've been looking at on the left, possibly some banners that you may display on the right, perhaps latest news, or even just a stock ticker to put up on the website. Let's look a little bit more detailed about how we can arrange these different modules. If I go to Extensions and Module Manager, in the Module Manager, you will see a lot of different modules. I highly recommend that you use either the filtering tools or drop down the Select by Position so you can find the modules that you're looking for. For right now, what I'd like to do is resequence the modules that are on the left side of the page, which are in position 7. So if I change the select position to position 7, I can see all of the different modules that are being displayed there. Something else you want to note is your modules themselves may be displayed on specific pages, and it says it right here in this column. Selected only, none, all except selected, and so forth. Let's say I want to change the sequence of these, and I want this site menu to be up on the top above the About Joomla menu. Because right now the ordering is grayed out, for me to be able to change the ordering, I have to click on the ordering at the top. Now I can alter the ordering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this site to position 4, and I'm going to change the About Joomla to position 5, or sequence 5, and then click the Save icon to save the order. Now let's preview the website to see what it did. If I click on Refresh, I can now see on my website, this site and About Joomla have flip-flopped. So this site is up there first, and then About Joomla. In this lesson, we reviewed how you can turn the preview option on so you can see your module positions. We looked at the module positions in Joomla, and then we played around with them a little bit by resequencing them on the website.